Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session we will discuss about couple of thread entry questions. These are very important entry questions. Let's check it one by one. How to keep thread idle for some time? And the second question is, can we start a thread twice in Java? So by using sleep method, we can stop thread idle. We can keep the thread idle for some time actually. And can we start the thread twice? What happens? We will check it in the Eclipse tool. For that, I'm going to create a class called tsleep demo, and now I will extend the thread class here and just override the run method, public void run method, and taking for loop integer I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Now I am printing some statement here. Child thread plus I, and create the object for this one, tsleep demo, t equal to new tsleep demo. Now just start the method. We will check the first one actually. Okay. Now start the program and see the output. See here, child thread 1, 2, 3 up to 10 it will get printed. If you want to just keep this thread idle for some time, we need to just use the thread dot sleep method. Okay, here you need to give the milliseconds or as per the requirement. Let's see here, just give 1000 milliseconds. Okay, just it will wait for 1 second actually. Just surround this one with the try catch block. Okay, now we execute the program. Okay, see here, it will just wait. Thread 1, thread 2, 1 second, idle time is there between each thread actually. This is how we need to just keep the thread idle for some time actually. Okay, so in the same way, this is the first case actually. Okay, this is the FAQ1 actually. And the second, coming to the second question, can we start a thread twice in Java? What happens if if we stop the thread for another time? T dot start method. Assume that I'm just giving it here. See the output. See here, exception method illegal thread state exception. We will get it actually. And second time like another one gets executed. We are not supposed to start thread twice actually. Okay, so we can start only thread at one time actually, but instead of that one we can create another thread and just start it actually. See here, creating another thread in main method. See here, this is another way of creating thread actually. See here, new thread, and here we can just write the public void run method. Now you can just print the same statements here. See here, thread main. Okay, thread main, instead of that one, main thread method. Okay, just give here this one, and after that just print the integer I equal to 1, I is less than 10, I plus plus, just incrementing it. Now you just copy this statement here. Okay, now let's check it whether we can print it or not. See, this is the thread, right? We need to stop, keep the start here. Okay, this is another way of starting the thread. Now let's see, like, here also you can keep it some sleep method if you want, otherwise you can run it actually. See here, main thread already executed 10 times, okay, and then child thread got executed actually. Okay, here you can just keep it, this one. Okay, now you can just see that main thread is executed 10 times and then child thread, there is an interval actually. If you want, you can also keep some, delay here also. Let's check it. Thread dot sleep method, thread dot sleep method, milliseconds, okay, 1000 milliseconds. Just surround with like, a cache block, and now execute the thread program. Child thread, okay, see here, child thread, main thread, child thread, main thread, okay, there is a, like, so alternatively it is getting printed actually. See, okay, if we don't want, like, this main thread to, okay, so this delay and all, just, avoid this one. Okay, just see, now we execute the program and see, like, main thread got executed because there is no delay at all, and then, like, the child thread got printed like one by one here. Okay, see here, child thread. This is how, like, we need to test, like, whether we can initiate, like, the start method couple of times. What happens? Okay, we are not supposed to just, start the same thread actually. The start method two times actually. But another thread, by creating another thread, like, in main method, we can initiate it actually if there is any requirement under. And another one is to keep the thread idle for some time. We can keep it like, 1000 milliseconds, or like, 2000, 3000, like, 5000 means, okay, 5 seconds, okay, depends on the requirement actually. Okay, this is how, like, the couple of interview questions. Please practice it, then you will get, like, fair idea on this one. Please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.